Today I am coming from Guy's Hospital. I had a neck and shoulder appointment. So now I'm walking over the bridge. I'm gonna have a look. Coming from over there. Lots of tourists in the area. Yeah. Yeah. I'm coming from the hospital. That's a tour bus, and that's the London Eye. That's Big Ben.
Water on that side.
I see people doing this lately, locking up their loved one. Wanna go and lock up crosses for you. Watch out. Them a lock up them partner upon them. Some wanna lock up crosses for you, wanna stay there.
Bye-bye. Bye.
See proper art. Proper arts. And that's the Uber boat. I'm just gonna walk up to Westminster for you guys can see. Another boat. I'm gonna stop lock up on a crosses partner pound. Sometimes it's not meant to be. I'm not bashing anybody. I'm just saying. I remember when me and grow me swear me in love, and me and my partner now go leave. But it don't work like that. See? Wanna stop lock up the crosses man them pound and start lock up the crosses woman them pound. Remember me they told you. So I'm gonna go towards Big Ben. Let me flip the camera. Go towards Big Ben and then head back. And that's Westminster. So I'm at Westminster Bridge. Thank you guys for joining my live. Support the live if you want to see more of your girl Alicia Christopher. So that's Big Ben. I'm going close as possible so you guys can see it. I'm going towards Parliament Square, Victoria train station, Lambeth Bridge, Trafalgar Square. So you can choose where you want to turn off or where you want to go. I'll be a tourist there, you know. It's so funny, people that live in London don't really come out and tour the place. Strangers come and then tour the place. That's a tour bus. City sightseeing tour bus. Always overseas people come and enjoy the country. Same with Jamaica. Lots of people live in Jamaica don't even come out of them parish. This is what I like about London. I love the buildings. Look at the buildings. Let me stand so you guys can see the buildings. You can also get the train to Brighton Beach from Victoria Station. Yes, tell them I want to go on here, so look like then tell them to move. Them say 1 in 4 young moms in the UK are skipping meals to feed their children. Starved to death after Kent Council stopped their food voucher. Government policy, destitute moms, hungry children, kids aren't eating. That's true. Different people protesting. So I'm gonna turn back now. Love with grief, earth vigil. Can't. So these are some signs. Can't you hear the future weeping? Our love must save the world. That's true. People need to live in love, peace, and unity. I am praying for action on the climate crisis and for those suffering now. Christian climate action. You see, these people are protesting. 1 in 5 children go to school hungry. Over half of the kids of color live in poverty.
Yeah, definitely. You doing so much.
Globally, 14 million children are at risk of death from severe malnutrition. 1 child dies approximately every 11 seconds. Really? Globally, 1 in 10 children don't have enough to eat. Mothers. Oh, hungry strike. Really, story. I tell the kids that I have already eaten, but my eldest doesn't believe me anymore. I drink mug of sweet tea to keep going. The cost of everything are unbelievable. My rent going up £200 per month has put me further into debt. Single mom of 2 children. Wanna see them something here? And then my protest feet, yeah? So ensure every children has enough. Windfall tax to enable a green energy transition. Invest in resilient food system. You see that? Some people don't have food in the UK. Reverse cut to foreign aid and child hunger. Murders manifest meet our demand. No new fossil fuels. Good food should not be a privilege. Free school meal.
Yeah, thank you so much.
But you know, when people see these things, they don't believe. They think because it's UK, food is here. They don't understand. Yeah, they don't understand everybody.
Globally, food is here, and still, you know,
People 'Cause
every 11 seconds.
I have a friend that works at school in the canteen,
Yeah.
and she said kids will keep coming back for more food.
Yeah.
Because they said when they go home, they don't have any food. Yes, it's true.
It's heartbreaking, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And that should be the case here.
Yeah.
When we're one of the richest countries.
It's true.
It's just horrendous. Yeah. And the parents. The thing is, I think we need to have the free school meals, but we also need to have the tax credits that actually meet what people's needs are.
I think they cut the tax
It
credit.
needs to be, yeah. It needs to be that people have what they need.
You hear that? It's true. Kids going, especially when school give holiday, because they're not going to school, they don't have any food to eat at home.
No,
So
exactly.
parents want the school to open back so they can go to school. It's just a part of life in the UK. Yes. I'll see you. Yes.
Yeah. And
Thank
do
you.
follow us, do get
Yeah, I
involved.
will.
In fact, sharing stories, I feel like there's something about hearing.
You want to say
the
something?
reality. Yeah.
Would you say something on my TikTok?
Well,
Yes.
Yeah.
You
yeah.
just talk.
Hello, I'm Emma, and I'm a mother, and I've been on hunger strike. We're doing regular hunger strikes. So, a call to action for the children here in the UK, for the mothers, for the people that do not have enough to eat. Here, one of the richest countries, is an absolute disgrace. And globally, the situation is even more catastrophic. 3 million children are dying every year. That's one child every 11 seconds, and that is not okay. The UN has said there's enough food, enough resources for everyone. So this is a distribution issue and a political choice, and we as mothers are saying no, and things need to change.
Thank you. What's your name?
Emma.
That's Emma talking to you guys.
So
I'm
lovely.
gonna also put it on my YouTube page.
Thank you so much.
Don't worry.
Please
Yes.
do. And
Thank you.
Yeah.
You take care. I'm Alicia.
Alicia, so
Okay.
lovely to meet
You
Yeah.
too.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Yes, people. Me have one friend work at the school, and she says sometimes the kids then come for lunch, them just want more and more and more. So it's not a lie, it's true. Oh, I didn't know you have the. That's fine. Yeah, the kids they need food. You see, some people think because they're in the UK, people not hungry, people not struggle, people not suffer. You guys would be surprised the things that happen here. People struggle. I love these buildings. Look at the details. Let me go out. So I'm gonna study. You see the details? Let me see if I can zoom it up. Look at the details. Them not make them buildings like this no more. Look, that's Big Ben. Let me flip the camera. Thank you guys for joining my live. The few people that's here, thank you. Oh, thank you. So I'm gonna do a little trick. I'm gonna do a little trick. I'm gonna stand here and I'm gonna act like I'm touching the. Come down, come down, come down, come down. There we go. Yeah. Look like I'm touching it, don't it? Or use this on. like you're touching it, but you're not. It's just a camera trick. I like doing that. I want to play music. I need to cross the road and go over there so go listen to them type of music here, my love. I don't know. Boo, boo, boo. Flick the camera up on the musician. That's the city cruise. Tired because I'm have to blow that. So I'm tired. Wanna hear me say wanna stop tie up on yourself and some people wanna not listen. Oh, you hear me say wanna stop tie up on yourself and some people. Alright. Nice, isn't it? It's a lovely day. So I come a guy St. Thomas Hospital over there. Whenever I come here for my physiotherapy session, I tend to just walk over the bridge and just have a look. Me not laugh. Only not hear me say, only if you stop tie up on yourself, stop tie up on yourself and some people. Sometimes on a lock on yourself with some bad energy. Wanna stay there lock on yourself and some people. Wanna not listen. I wanna soon cry. Wanna soon cry. I don't talk. I don't talk no more. No man. More again, you know. Flip camera, Lisa. More again. So I wanna stop tie up on yourself. I wanna go on your son now. What is going on? Watch them when you're in the water. All the water you're cold, you know. So I'm gonna head home now. Whenever I come to St. Thomas Hospital, not guys. Whenever I come for my physiotherapy session, just to clear my mind, I normally like to just walk over the bridge. There's a better view. These people pass, so you can see a better view of Big Ben. And here 360 and Westminster Bridge. And if you don't want to know hot dog and no nuts on a bike there. Yes. I want to hear me say I want to stop tie up on yourself and some people. Where did I go right now? Let me go on one joke. Let me go on one joke here. You see, when me did a Grammy and my boyfriend want apple tree. One apple tree. They're on the gully wall. Let me stop. One apple tree there on the gully wall. And me and my boyfriend said we are going to put we name in the tree and we carve out we name in the tree. And I was telling somebody about it and them say, you see any day that tree there, like somebody cut the tree or the tree broke down, I saw in a relationship I got brought down. I mean, laugh for myself, kind of foolishness. But it might be true, because I go back Jamaica, I go look for the tree, I don't see the tree gone. The tree dry up. I don't see the tree. Normally when we go, we used to see we initial in it. But I don't see it no more. Yes, relationship done. Serious. Not like, I don't know, joke neither. A serious something. So that's me. Let me see there. Like I'm touching it. Ah. Yes, my love. Wanna careful, wanna wish for. Be careful what you wish for. Flip back the camera again. Our family. Man, they look like him draw himself. So all sort of things going down there, so. City sightseeing. Let me show you this. This is the county hall and the home of London government. Yes, it was the home of London government from 1922 to 1986. This used to be the government home for the government, but not anymore. It's a hotel now. It's a Marriott hotel. Nice, isn't it? Not anymore. It's hotel, my love. Bye, guys, hospital. Thank you for having me today. My physiotherapist, she was lovely. She gave me some exercise that I need to do to strengthen back my hand and my shoulder and my neck. It's funny how just some simple exercise I was doing with her. Just simple stretches, you know. I'm going to tell you something, I feel pain. So we need you as our tour guide on. Tell me about it. Yes. You go carnival? Shan, you go carnival? You see you going with yourself, you know, you're mad like me, so I know me and you would have vibes. Anyway, enjoy yourself and enjoy your daughter. Now, I was saying, simple exercise. I was an active person, you know. Not get it wrong. I was so active. I love dancing and I love to enjoy myself. But I did a surgery on my hand, and since I did that surgery on my hand, my body is not the same. And then I did one car accident and I had a whiplash, so my neck and my shoulder hurt me. My osteopath tell me, don't settle, and I never listen. Me and my son in a car, and my son also feel pain in his neck and his shoulder, you know. So I tell him, say I have to go contact the GP and make them refer him to the hospital where he can get the specialist to have a look at it. So simple exercise now, and I was feeling so much pain, even just to stretch. And I'm like, really, them little exercise and I feel all of them pain here? But I realize me not fit. And also me I put on the weight. So me have to do something about it. So girl, I gotta find herself in a one gym soon. Me not ask. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to check out my videos. Man, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, all social media is Alicia Christopher. Watch it. Guys Hospital, thank you for having me. Anywhere me go, me book up nice people. Nice people. My Aunt Terp is so nice. I forgot her name. Look after yourself, girl. Yes, I have to. I'm gonna love you guys and leave you. So see you next time. Bye, guys. Say bye to Westminster Bridge.